Hey, what's going on YouTube? It's Jose Serrano from Jose Serrano Special Vehicles. The other day, immigrant buffers with top 50 videos that have been posted by Penguin Brute, the Warhawk, and the Guardians. So, here's another one. The same was a zombie Warhawk and the zombie Pigman video of top 50 immigrant buffers compilation. Before I begin this video, I want to make sure go see Garnet Buzz Monster Picks playlist that I posted that I created since 2021. Alright, let's get ready for beginning this video. Grab some water, stand up, keep moving, and enjoy the show. Showtime.
You are a piece of shit! You know what I think about that? Burn my goddamn face! I got a question, Tina!
Prank that I planned for Bridget.
I'm out.
I don't know what's gonna be worse, that fart or the prank we got planned for Bridget.
The prank we got planned.
Obviously the fart because it's not happening to me. Oh God, dude, morning farts are the worst.
God.
Oh, not my way, please.
That is just fucking fucked up. Hey,
Right, I'm sick of this shit with you!
Whatever.
So me and you can go back to back again in the thumbnails. We can't do that right now.
Oh my God.
Unbelievable.
I'm glad we got a long one on camera.
All right, Dad, get him out before you
That
get to
was
the
so
doctor.
suspicious.
Oh, shit! Back it up.
Oh my god.
You left a stain on the car.
Oh my god.
What the hell? Did that come from your ass?
Yes.
Dad, turn around.
You ready to work? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh man, Jesus! I turned up right when I turned on the camera. Oh god, my Jesus Christ! Oh. All right, Bridget, I need you to call some freaking homes.
All right.
That's some stuff that, you know. I believe that. Then we're gonna have to send you somewhere.
Nursing home or something.
Believe that.
Oh god.
Every bit will be in the fucking garbage so you get your mouth around it. Woo! Oh God! Not like that black one I had.
Yeah.
I said black green for a week. That's the verdict on the Whopper.
Go ahead, take a big bite.
Oh God! You shut the fuck up.
Oh. Good God.
Oh my
Damn.
god.
I can't take this no more. God damn.
Yeah, you look fine right now. Look like you're ready to tap dance.
Yeah, let me give you a kiss.
I think he just shit his pants.
God, I feel fucking homeless.
God damn.
You want to walk us through it?
Go.
After that?
Dad, you goddamn pipe bomb! I got a fart.
Oh god.
Oh my lord.
Oh my god.
That's a barn burn.
that seemed painful.
Oh my God.
Put on your Donald McRonald shoe. Oh, he farted. Oh, God. Oh, Lord. Oh, my God. Oh.
Down the war off any zombies. God, I'm choking! I am cutting your hair!
Oh my god.
No.
I need to get
I'm
out.
fucking out of this.
I'm out.
Sit down! Not even! Sit down! Oh my God.
I can't breathe.
Alright, we gotta close the communications for a minute.
Yeah, that's your double. That's your twin.
Was that Mr. Gorilla? Is he waiting on his tea?
Why don't you shut up?
Oh. Oh. Holy.
Do me a favor, Mike.
Hold on, dude.
Do me a favor.
What?
Ah, goddamn!
Oh, my God.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh.
Yeah, you goddamn pillow.
Well, close your eyes at least. Oh, my God.
Yeah, boy.
Oh.
Had a burrito for lunch.
Tastes like wax.
Beat my nuts off out here! I'm beating my nuts off, you ain't paying my bill! That's why you ain't my goddamn lady, don't get you pay my goddamn bill!
Go inside, Dad. I'm talking to them.
Come on, I'm out here.
And I love you.
Ew.
I love you too, like your fucking ass sounded like it was hollowing out.
Yeah, ew. Ew.
I'm
your camera off. Bridget, Mike, tell her to turn it off.
Bridget, turn it off.
Oh, God.
Turn it off, Bridget.
Jesus fucking Christ. No wonder the plant's dying.
Stay there, motherfucker! Turn off!
That fart wake up anybody!
You're gonna get your...
Oh, my God.
Oh, that scared the shit out of him. Yeah, I did it. You know what that is, right?
Oh, God.
You know what that is, right? Yeah, that's stink bait.
No, that's bait, but it
Get in,
didn't
mother-
catch-
Chicken. I didn't want to talk. I just wanted to film that disgust. And you lifted your damn leg.
I had to fart.
Oh, shoo.
I don't lie, man. Look at my bruise.
Oh, ooh. Oh. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, you guys. It's following me, dude. It is like a ghost. Wait a minute, the power
I don't
went.
give a damn. I'm done. I'm leaving. Fuck this shit. I'm done. I'm done.
Well, you gonna finish the game?
There's nothing.
Tired of you wasting my time. Yeah, I got your time wasted.
You were sitting there the whole time, fat ass. Hey, Michael.
You know something?
You want to think about your dough?
What? Ah. Oh, God.
Ew. Close my door.
Michael, I'm having a great day, but it's going to get bad if you keep this shit up.
You gonna do it right next to the grill?
That's the goddamn I'm having.
You wanna cause an explosion?
I know, right?
Wish number 2 would be I'd never met the... No, wish number 2.
Wish number 1, I wish I did this room right now.
Every motherfucking time you watch go, they're your
You got it. Yeah, you got it. Shut up.
Yeah, I got shit. Whoa, do I got shit? You got
Oh, my God.
Like, did we just capture a fucking shit in the pants on camera?
Oh, goddamn.
Oh my God! You good now? Wait a minute, those are the same pants.
Well, goddamn, I gotta finish this.
Please.
Goddamn roach over here doing the motherfucking backstroke. Turn the goddamn camera off!
Oh, come on. God, shit!
Oh, my God.
Jesus.
Just gonna wait for the brownies.
Yeah.
Now hurry up.
Wait, hold on, Dad. I didn't get it.
That burnt bad. That burnt hairs on my ass.
And I didn't know the motherfucker was shooting at me. That grandma.
It's on the back.
Kiss my fat ass. I got a big one. Hey. Got this figure out. I got it in Walmart.
Damn, man, you had a leg lift on that one.
Where you going, boy?
You got him sitting down, he's so grossed out.
Made him nauseated.
Ah! What the hell? Happy 2 million! Oh!
I don't want to show my tits. Get the camera off of me.
Oh, okay. Come on.
Hey, wait a minute. How about that?
Oh man, that little bit. I've been to that motherfucking candle. Fuck.
Okay.
Oh God. That was good, Kate.
Oh, great. My new hat.
Oh my God.
Keep going!
Your room stinks, man. You need to
You quit smoking. Happy Father's Day.
Fuck out. You want to do your car now?
That's Bridget's car.
I don't care.
I press charges.
Oh, wow.
Ew. If they're...
I'm not breathing.
Somebody sent me a new pacifier. It must be a good one because somebody's come from China. Hi from England. Dude.
Oh my god.
The fuck's your problem? That was not supper. Again. I ate twice today.
What the fuck?
God, dude.
That's that bacon pizza. You feeling any better?
Okay.
Jesus.
Fuck, I just said it. God damn.
I should get that a tramp stamp. I get the tramp stamp. Oh my god.
God, nice.
Oh, it's instant.
Instant. Oh, my ass.
Did you say your ass? Oh, did you shit some?
My pants sticking to my ass.
Oh god. Your pants are also stinking up the room.
God damn. Wonder why I fart so much. Do you fart a lot?
No. What? It's instant again.
Jesus Christ!
No more.
Oh my God, that. You got people out there that they may not be as pretty as you are. Ooh. Or they might fart louder than you do. But you know something? God damn, fucking chair was wet. God damn, I got a wet ass. Motherfuck.
Oh man.
Oh my god.
I hate you! I hate you! I hate you! And I hate you!
You did that on purpose. Jesus Christ.
Oh my god.
Are you trying to fart? What are you doing?
No.
Thumbnail?
Oh, God.
You were one nasty son.
Oh!
Oh! See you, Pop. Hope you like the new table.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I can't sing the Father Pop, but I found one right here. Oh my God, my stomach. Oh my goodness gracious, I hope that flavor don't hit the goddamn I'll get my crowbar and I'll smash him in the good in his chin. I've had enough. I've had enough.
God! Jesus Christ!
Love that cat.
Oh! Oh yeah, she likes Idela's chicken. Okay, what the? You just shit your pants. For sure, you just shit your pants. You sit in it. You just shit your pants. Dude, you shit your pants just now.
How y'all doing?
Okay. Okay. You can't convince me. That was her shit. Oh, she's...
Just come here and yell at me, man. Oh, goddamn.
Yeah, good. Dude, the hell? So you ran over a cat.
Damn.
out of you.
Hey, well, you think about it. We're eating some macaroni and cheese, big boy. and a goddamn piece of chicken.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Michael.
Oh, God.
That was perfect. That was good.
Son of a bitch.
Jesus.
That was a good taco.
You want another one?
Oh, my God. What is it?
I guess that.
Oh, God.
What the fuck did I just witness?
That was a shit.
Dude, it sounded like fucking Uncle Buck's car backfiring. What? Holy shit! That ending sound I did not expect. That end sound I did not expect. What did that feel like? Hey now, my boyfriend's back, boy's back, and I'm gonna be in trouble. Hey now, hey.
You know anything about that?
I felt air! I felt air! Oh. I could feel the air blowing at his ass.
Oh, my God.
Okay, that was wet. I'm 100% sure that was wet. You about ready for
Just
your...
open a door.
You about ready for some dessert, Dad? We made something special for you. Ugh. I've seen better days.
Poor thing.
Oh my God!
That hurt.
Holy shit!
That hurts.
It sounded like
That hurt.
Oh my God!
Alright, since the video is ending, before I end this video, I want to tell you something. I want you to see some of the videos that Evan posted that Keep It Behind the Camera is getting older. He ruins the pizza night. So, pizza night is going in the garbage. I'm not allowed to use the pizza night. It's going in the garbage forever. So, I adjusted to do the egg salad, the Easter egg salad that I created yesterday, and even more the real egg salad videos that I posted in real life, the real life of my life. Me versus Keep It Behind the Camera and Charlie. So that's gonna be it. Good night. Thanks for watching.